Let's continue our journey on exploring Google Analytics account structure, but this time not on PowerPoint, not with tree diagrams, but with real Google Analytics account, which you will also have access to. This is the real deal. This is account for which we saw the tree diagram for a company which owns two business lines, one being travel and other being fashion. As you can see on your screen, first account is fashion account and second being travel. Now let's explore fashion account, which has two properties, first being discount.com and other being topbrands.com. Under each property, we have a view called all website data and X internal traffic view, which I have created for excluding traffic from internal employees of the company. The same structure is present under travel.com for stay.com and travelblog.com, while fly.com has another view called paid search only, which they have created to give access to paid search campaigns data to an external agency that they have hired to run fly.com paid search campaigns. Let's get under the hood and take a look at how we have created these views and filters for exclude internal traffic as well as for paid search only. I'm going to start with fashion account, discount.com, exclude internal traffic view. From here, I'm going to click on admin. Once you're in admin interface, under view, you'll find filters. Here we go. I have already created this filter for X internal traffic. Let's check out configuration of the same by clicking on it. The configuration shows instructions which state that this view should not collect information from IP addresses ranging from 122.166.197.1 to all the way .60. These weird looking symbols are called regular expressions, which we will cover in session about regular expressions. But if you have a smaller set of IP addresses, you can also enter just one IP address here, which does not require any regular expressions. Also in resources section, you'll find a tool which generates regular expressions for your IP addresses. This tool will generate regular expressions in just one click. All you have to do is input your start and end IP addresses. This was example of exclude filter. Now we are going to look at example of include filter. I'm sure you remember we have discussed include filter for fly.com, which includes only paid search traffic for its campaigns. So it's time to check out include only filter, and for that I'm going to head to travel account. Here we go, from fashion to travel account and property fly.com and view paid search only. Inside paid search only, I'm going to look at filters. Now, as you can see, there are two filters already that I have defined for including paid search traffic only. Let's look at the first filter. Include search data only source. That's the name of the filter. This filter is instructing Google Analytics to include data from search engine like Google, Bing, Baidu, and you can add more if you want by just adding pipe sign before every search engines that you want to add to this list, where the pipe stands for OR. So this first filter is instructing Google Analytics to include only traffic coming from all search engines. But all search engines send paid as well as organic traffic to all websites. And we wouldn't want to expose organic traffic to the external agency which is handling paid search campaigns. And for that, we have created a second filter. As configuration of second filter is instructing Google Analytics to include only traffic where the campaign medium is CPC, which stands for cost per click. This will make sure that only paid campaigns data from search engine is included in this view and not organic data. So combination of these two filters makes sure that the data coming into this view is only for search engine paid campaigns. Let's go over account structure again. Clicking on Google Analytics logo on top left hand corner will lead you to tree structure of your account. Clicking on any account expands the tree structure for properties and views under it. As you can see, for travel and fashion. Now this account is not only for purpose of this video. You can have access to this account for your reference as well. In the resources section of this video, you can find a link of form. By filling this form, you can request access to this Google Analytics account and you'll get the access within a couple of days. Hope you enjoyed the session and looking forward to next one. Thank you.